Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use PureRef and how to do a mood board. It's gonna help you to create your scene. Just before that, make sure to create a folder, just organize your work. Mine, I name it Moroccan interior underscore class, and inside this folder, I have a folder named 3D. It's for our Blender file, and the second one named ImageRef. I have all my references here, and I'm gonna create a PureRef file. So I'm just gonna look for the application here, open it. Once it's open, what I'm gonna do, go inside here, inside the folder, I'm gonna select some images. I'm not gonna select all of them for now, just some of them to show you how it works. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay, Control N, architecture. Okay, great. After that, for textures, I'm gonna select some of them. I have a lot of doubles here. I don't know why, how it happened. Anyway, put those here and Control N, textures, move it a little bit like that. Okay, you see, just to organize all my references and everything, I can scale it a little bit if I want them to have almost the same size. Okay, I'm gonna select like some others here. Okay, great. Put them here and click here, Control N, like mood. Mood and concept, like for references. If I want to have like a mood like this, it's a little bit, not totally, but I get inspired a little bit from this concept also. This one is mine, the one that I did, and it's the one that we're gonna do the class with it. I'm gonna show you how to do exactly the same one. So organize your stuff like that. For sure, I'm gonna add some other references because I need also, like, for example, add for all my props because we're gonna do some modeling for the props. Okay, so just organize your work like that. Save it. Make sure to save it. Gonna name it Moroccan underscore interior mood board. Great. It's done. If sometimes you have your files like this and you have a lot of space taken, all that space, just click here, and if I in Canva just optimize or put Control O. So that's it. So it's, if you want to do a homework for this, just grab a PureRef, open it, put the images and play with it, like, as I showed you in the other tutorial, the previous tutorial, like try to flip the textures, to scale them, go to the menus and try to play with it a little bit. Like that, you're gonna get used to it. So do a mood board. All those references, I'm gonna share them. I'm gonna put a link in the video. It's gonna be maybe in Pinterest or on my OneDrive. That's it for this video, guys. So see you for the next one. Bye bye.